from Homestead Evolution. We went shopping last night and made an unexpected purchase. So we went to look for another game for my grandson for his Nintendo Switch, I think it's called. And we walked out with a little bit more than what we were planning on. But we have been talking about getting another camera, a lighter camera. Right now we use a Rebel T6i, or our cell phones is what we use. So we were looking at the Canon M50, we were looking at a GoPro. We spent some time talking in the store, walking around, and we made a decision. And we're going to do the unboxing here for you guys. Went to a local store the next town over. So it is here. We're going to unbox it for you. We didn't unbox anything, so this is all going to be new to us as well. But we talked about it, and we think it's going to be a good system to get how we do things here on a daily basis, because it is hard to set the camera up, to carry that big heavy camera. It's a nice camera, don't get me wrong, and it's good for stills, and I'm going to be working on getting some more lenses because I love macro photos. So that's a little project I want to do later on. But so if you haven't guessed it, we got a GoPro. And we got the GoPro 7. Has the internal stabilization with it. That was one of the things we liked. They have a little demo screen going through all the specs on it. We must have stood there for a half hour. Extra battery. I don't know how long this battery will last. I know for my Canon, I have to have 2 batteries. Matter of fact, we had to switch out before we started this because it just goes through batteries. So we have a extra battery. And we have a SIM card, 128 gigs. And we have the Adventure Kit, which is basically the head strap, was which one I'll be wearing. The handheld I'll probably use a lot. The clip I'm not so much sure about. Figure we get used to that. See how this goes. But I foresee myself using the handheld and the head strap the most. And it'll also double as a case for the GoPro. So that, and of course the game for the little one, which we went in there for. Cheapest thing out of the whole thing here. And that's it. That's the bag. So we're pretty excited. We've got some chores to do on the farm here today, because it's supposed to rain for like the next 4 days, and there's no rain today. So we got to do some chores on the outside, some projects. So we will open these over the weekend, and we may record that because we'll be like kids in a candy store. So I hope you all have a good day and enjoy.